Oh, there's a hummingbird at the feeder. Oh, gotta get some more in there. There's all my babies. Y'all need to quit eating. That's what's wrong with y'all. Y'all getting fat. Move. Come on, move. Oh, yeah, I hear you. Having to make a run to go get some feed. Rabbit's got plenty. Come on, move. Boy, and that one there got tore up by something. I don't know what he got tore up by. Something got a hold to him. Come on. Well, I'm missing them out there. Oh, there she is. She's in the pen. What is she doing in the pen by herself? Come on, little one. Come on, Kieran. Yeah, quack, quack, quack. Come on, Kieran. Hopefully she's sitting. I don't know why she's in here by herself. My family. Oh, shut up. Come on, y'all gotta move. Y'all know the routine. Come on. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, hold on. Y'all need to quit moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay. I think she's set. Let's see what she does. I think she took that nest. It's unlike her to be by herself. We're fixing to find out. And ducks are crazy how they set. It's weird. It's like, you know, a chicken will get off the nest for a little while. Ducks will actually get off their nest for like an hour. See how she keeps looking back at that pilot? Kind of wonder if she took that nest today. Guess I'll never know. I'll find out tomorrow. Okay, there's one. There's Fatty. There's the 2 gray ones. So, there's him. There's that one. Oh, I don't see Mama Hen. Oh, there's Mama Hen. There's Mama. Okay. What is that bird? That is a lazy bird that's laying down eating. See that? He's just laying down. Just eat away. Let's see. Pretty sure she's not going to do it with me right here. Right. Yeah, everybody's up. Except for those. That's the babies. They sleep in that pen with him. Not really worried about that one. Buck, 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 buck. One day you're going to be gumbo, son. One day. Keep it up. Keep it up. Tell him. You ever make that mistake, you'll never make it again. Oh, man, that's Mama. That's the baby's mama. I wonder if she took this nest. Oh, my goodness, that would be so awesome. The little babies, where they're not little anymore, this will be her 3rd hatch out. And the 2nd time this year. That would be awesome. She's a broody hen, I'm not gonna lie. That thing get on that nest in a heartbeat. And as you can tell, she didn't get off to go get feed. See, look. Dang birds just lay anywhere they want to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get feed tomorrow. I'm not a young buck like I used to be. All this bending over is starting to get kind of aggravating. Come on. I don't see why y'all don't eat this. It's the same thing. It's food. Yeah, see, she didn't even move. She took that nest. She didn't even move. Well, I be dang. And yeah, like I said, ducks and chickens are totally different. I watched her mama. I think I gotta see which wing is cut. Okay, that's the daughter. Yeah. I watched her mama hatch her out. She hatched her out, and that gray one out, and another one out. But anyway, yeah, they get off the nest and they just stay off the nest. They just roam around, just do whatever they want to do for forever, and then go sit back on the nest. So if anybody's wondering about ducks, that's what they do. And she had a good hatch out. It's just they don't take care of their babies at all. Once they hatch them out, they're on their own. They just look, be flying out of the pen. That's what happened to Blackie. Go ahead. Go ahead. But that one actually sleeps in that the brooder, big brooder. But yeah, if you ever see your duck go nest and all of a sudden just get off the nest and walk around for a long time, that's how they do it. Unlike chickens. I'll know for a fact tonight when I come out tonight to put them up if she took that nest. But I'm telling you right now, she took that nest. And I'm not even sure how many eggs she got underneath her. I know she got... Oh yeah, she took that nest. Yeah. I just wish she would get that other egg and put that other egg underneath her. I don't know what it is about chickens, but they know their eggs from other chickens' eggs. Or at least she does, because she... Like if there's a brown egg, there's no brown eggs in there, but if there's one underneath her, she would push it out. And since that one is a different color than the white ones, she pushed it out. But I shall know tonight. Hi, y'all. Have a good day. God bless. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay home.